There's two pairs of Air Jordan 1s that I made videos on where I told you guys not to sell these Air Jordan 1s, that I believed that they were good holds and they would go up in price and make you guys some money. Don't sell them. That was the point. Hold on to them for some time and they'll be good investments one day. Well, that's not the case. I was wrong on these two pairs of Air Jordan 1s, so it's time to expose myself or just, basically tell you guys, hey, I was wrong. I'm not always right. I'm not always going to be right. It was just my opinion, and I got it wrong. Now, these two Air Jordan 1s have actually not gone up in price at all. In fact, market has, if anything, went down or roughly stayed the same. They have not gone up at all to the numbers that I thought they would. And it's been time, and roughly around the time that I called that these Air Jordan 1s would go up in price by now. More so, especially one of them, which is the Volt Gold Air Jordan 1. Yeah, I made a video. Do not sell the Volt Gold Jordan 1. And as you guys know, I was wrong. The market is bad. It never went up. In fact, it kind of went down a little bit. I would say probably around $10, maybe $20 on pairs. So yeah, not a good hold at all. I did eventually think they would hit like 280, 300, and yeah, never happened. It never happened. The black toe color blocking, yeah, it never happened. I thought they would. There was some reasoning behind those. It was more so, like I said, the black toe color blocking and just, the vibrant color or something different. And I thought, hey, maybe they would go up, an extra $50, $60, maybe $70 more than where they were at. And yeah, no, that didn't happen. That's not the case. I was wrong completely on these Jordan 1s. The next Jordan 1 that I was completely wrong on so far, I did say that it was a long-term hold, about a year, maybe a little more. It has been, well, it's about to be a year coming up on this sneaker, and I don't think the market's really going to go up on them anymore where they're a good hold. No, and that is the Electro Orange Air Jordan 1. I was wrong, completely wrong on another pair of Jordan 1s. Now, here's the thing. It was my opinion. It always is my opinion. You guys watch these videos for my opinion, so thank you for that. And I give you guys my reasoning of why I believe these sneakers will go up. Now, I'm not always wrong, I'm not always right, but I'm more right than wrong, which I think is important and what really matters, as well as this is just my opinion, my advice. You don't have to listen to me. You don't have to actually do what I'm doing or what I say. You know what I mean? So you definitely don't need to listen to me on everything, guys. It's just my opinion at the end of the day. With that being said, I thank you guys for valuing my opinion. It's awesome. I love it. And, it's gotten us this far. So, I am wrong on, these two Jordan 1s, the Electro Orange, the Volt Gold. They will eventually go up in price. Years down the line where it's not worth your hold, it's still not worth the money, don't hold on to them, but eventually they will go up in price, as most Jordan Retros do. So yes, as of right now, I'm wrong. In the future, who knows? But at the end of the day, was it worth the time and the money? Probably not, right? So I was wrong on these investments, and I'm here to say it. I'm here to tell you guys, hey, I'm wrong. Don't always listen to me. Take my advice and do what you want or don't want with it. And I appreciate you guys even watching the video, clicking on the video, and checking me out and supporting me. It really means the world to me. So, with that being said, make sure you guys enter in the free Mocha 1 giveaway. Free Mocha 1 giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Mocha Air Jordan 1s. The winner's gonna get a free dead stock brand new pair. This is, of course, my worn pair. Winner's gonna get a brand new pair at the end of the month, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. You could also follow me on Instagram at DannyMoore2369 for a bonus entry. DM me proof that you did everything. That will be your bonus entry for a free pair of Mocha 1. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. I'm sorry. Hopefully you guys can forgive me for being wrong. And, you know, we can continue to move on. I am not always going to be right. You know, this is just my opinion. I don't think anybody is really batting 1,000 on sneaker investments. It's all our opinion. Anybody you guys watch, it's their opinion. At the end of the day, why they believe the sneaker will go up, or why it may not go up in price. It's not really facts. There's not much fact to this. It's more so our opinion and checking out the market and looking at graphs on StockX and looking at sales. It's really what it is, you know, and taking a look at previous releases. You know, that's how I make my predictions. Previous releases, as well as the hype, the market right now, trends. There's certain things that goes into it. Wearability, that's a huge factor. There's certain things that goes into it. The model, the colorway. Is there a collab behind it? There's certain things that goes into it. So, with that being said, I hope you guys can forgive me. I'm not always right. I'm not always wrong. But as long as I'm more right than wrong, I think that's what truly matters in my opinion. Hopefully you guys agree with me on that. If you do, please let me know by smashing that like button. If you guys are okay with, you know, me being wrong here and there. I don't think I'm wrong all the time. I think I'm more right than wrong, which is what matters. And I think that's the case for a lot of people, which is a good thing. So, yeah, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Yeah, I'm wrong, man, on 2 pairs of Jordan 1s. And I'm sure I might be wrong in the future. You know, it is what it is. I feel like everybody's going to be wrong at one point. You see what I'm saying? So, yeah, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Hopefully you guys can forgive me. The Electro Orange, the Volt Gold Jordan 1. 2 Jordan 1s with decent color blockings that I thought were going to go up. They had the colorway. They had certain things behind them that I thought they would go up. That wasn't the case. I'm wrong. You're not always going to win. You're not always going to get them right, but it is what it is. I hope you guys can forgive me. I hope you guys didn't lose too much money out there on these shoes. I hope you guys actually watch my content because I am more right than wrong, like I said, in my opinion. And I do help a lot of you guys make money. A lot of you guys DM me on Instagram saying, hey, Danny, you made me a lot of money. And for that, I thank you. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching my content. I hope you guys stick around. And yeah, I'm not always going to be right. I'm not always going to be wrong. I hope you guys can forgive me on these 2 Jordan 1s. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.